Kasi ayaw nilang ilabas ko yung boses ko. Insecure. Kaso sinabi ko, guys, kailangan kong kumanta. Kasi, yung susunod mga kasama ko dito sa stage, ay singer din. Kilala ba kung sino siya? Pero syempre, bago yun, kailangan ko muna magbihis. Kasi, kailangan ko muna magbihis dahil kailangan medyo, ito po, presentable ako sa kanya. Kasama yung jacket ko. Sino ba gusto nito? Hatingin ko na para fair. Dito naman. Thank you. Oh. Sa akin ba yan?
Bago-bago naman ni Sir. Sir, signal ka ba, Sir?
Hello?
Hello,
Hi.
Sir. Hello, Sir.
Long time ah.
Ayan.
Okay lang ba sino kung kakanta kami?
Para po sa inyo lahat ito.
Para po sa inyo.
Walang makatulad Sir Anderson.
It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care, who'll always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give. So many times when the city seems to be without any face, a lonely place. It's nice to know that you're here if I need you, and you're always mine. It's hard to find when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Touch me
Hindi na.
Sir Louie,
Sir
konti
Louie,
na.
hindi na. Sir Louie, you know.
Konti
Thank
na.
you, Miss Arna.
Thank you, General Anderson.
Thank you. Si Buwana, maraming pong salamat. Thank you.
Di ba gusto mo siyang kumanta? General, dali ka!
Bye-bye, baby girl.
Konti lang. Bigyan mo sila, minsan na mo. Gerald! Gerald, dali ka. Gerald! Minsan na. Dali ka. Okay. Eto po, para po sa inyo lahat ito. Konti lang. Okay. Sir Louie. Isang wave up tonight dyan, Sir Louie. Halika dito. Kantayin natin ito.
Don't include me. Still with you. Longing for shelter from all I receive. Why should we worry? No one will care. Look at the stars now, so far away. We've got tonight. Who needs to know? We've got tonight, babe. Why don't you stay?
Live na live yun, oh!
Thank you. Si Buwana, pasensya na, nag-live ako. Pero sorry. Pero thank you, Arenata. Maraming sa... Mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Gerald Anderson! Yes! Even my soul. Ay! Isa tayong sunod-sunuran sa kanila. Sunod-sunuran namin tayo
Ginagawa
sa
tayo
kanila.
tuto. Ginagawa tayo tuto. Pero hindi, parang matuwa naman din sila.
Thank you, Gerald!
Thank you.
Yes! Okay na ba? Okay. Ayan. Gusto niyo po bumaba